So today we are gonna learn what is val and var. Okay. So in last class we have discussed about print statements. Now we will be working with val and var. Consider you want to store the data temporarily. Okay. For example, I want to store some data temporarily. So what data I want to store? For example, integer, that is 20. I want to store some string. For example, hello world. So this is string, as I explained in last class. The link is in the description. So I want to store this temporarily. So what I can do? I can create a box in our RAM. Okay. So this is a box in our RAM and assign it value. For example, 20. So this is a box. I have assigned the value 20. So basically this box is our RAM. This box is our RAM. Okay. So let us add a text. So this is our RAM. So we want to assign the value 20. Okay. So that's all we are going to do in this video. So let us go to our coding section, that is Kotlin Playground. If you are unable to search this, you can go to Chrome and search Kotlin Playground. The first link from Kotlin Lang, you have to click it and you will enter this interface. Okay. So this is from last class. We will just remove this. Now let us use val age is equals to 20. For storing numbers, you can directly use 20. Okay. So this is an assignment operator. So this equal to is called as assignment operator. Assignment operator. Okay. So this is an assignment operator, and here val is used to temporarily store the data. So now we can print this data as well. So let us just print age. And what will be the output? As you can see, output is 20. So val age is the name of the variable which we have given. So what are the variables? Variables are the box, and name of this variable is age. Okay. So this will initialize the variable val, will initialize the variable age is the name of the variable. This is the assignment operator and this is the value. Okay. So what will be our syntax? Just write syntax. Val is compulsory step. Any name for variable, name of variable, you should give a space. Of course you should give a space. Then the assignment operator, and then you can declare the value. Declare value. Okay. So this is all about declaring value using val. Now the thing is, you cannot change the values which are declared using val. Okay. So age is equals to 30. I am trying to assign it 30 now. My age has been increased. Now I am trying to increase my age by assigning the age variable 30. Actually I have written wrong spelling. Let us just correct it. Age. So now let us run the code. You are getting a error saying val cannot be reassigned. Yes, val cannot be reassigned. As once store the value, you cannot change the value in val. So this is wrong. Let us just remove this and run the code. The code is running pretty fine. Now let us use some different data type. Let us just store string. Okay. String. Hello world. You all know what is string, as I have explained in our print video. Okay. So you can see hello world has been printed. So you can just declare variables of multiple types. Later we will learn about strings and integers, booleans, and all of this stuff in our later on classes. For now, just assume that this is a box which will store some value. So this is a string basically. Now if you want to store number, we can just use this. You can see we have printed a integer value. Okay, later on we will learn how to store decimal values and stuff. For now this is enough. Now what is var? You can see that val do not change the value. Okay, so val, we cannot reassign the value, but in val you can reassign the value. That's only the difference. Okay, so let us guess our age is 18. Old enough, completely old enough. Now let us just reassign the age is equals to 25, and now print age. Of course we'll print the age. Just run the code. Okay, so 25. You can see the age is reassigned here. At this step, our age is 25. What will happen if I remove this print statement from here and paste it over here? Okay, and just run the code. You can see the age is 18. But why? Our age should be 25, right? No, you are completely wrong. It is because the Kotlin code will run in sequential order. So this is the first step. Sorry, I mean this is the first step where we assign the value 18. Now we will print the value that is 18, because here we have not assigned 25 yet. In next step we reassign it to 25. Okay, so it will go in sequential order. First line of execution, second line of execution, third line of execution. So if I reprint the value here, that is age, what should be the output? Definitely it should be 25. You can see why it is in one line. Of course, you know, you can use println to do that stuff. Just use println and println. Okay, okay, you can see 18 and 25. So this is the difference between var and val. Val cannot be reassigned. If I just make it val, you cannot reassign it. It is completely wrong. And in val, you can reassign it. Of course, you have seen in the example. So this is all about var and val. Okay, you should remember this step. I mean syntax that I have told you. I will provide you notes later on this course. But for now, take a screenshot.